automatic static low molding machine achieve its daily output of 4 万。Use robotic arms to prevent preforms safely and quickly. The materials of each product are different, and the heating time and temperature range are different. Heating evenly enters the grinding tool, air and is blown into the mold under high pressure to form and cool the finished product. When we learn plastic technology called air heating specializes in production, we have various plastic materials such as marine recycled materials, PLA polylactic acid materials, and bio-based environmentally friendly materials. Official website https://3w.pla-plastic.com/。